Alright, what is going on, guys? I got a very important video for you today, and it is more important to me than it is to you. But I just hit my 1K subscriber count, and I know that doesn't seem like a large number, 1,000 subscribers, especially for you bigger, YouTubers. But it is a major accomplishment to me, because it kind of makes me feel like all my hard work is finally paying off. I got the holding company going. I finally got the 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And I really just want to start by saying thank you so much. If you are one of those people that help support my channel, you have no idea how important it is to me. I want to start talking about a series of things that going forward, what my plans are for the channels, and everything else I'm working on as far as the holding company, stuff like that. First, I'm in Facebook jail right now, so this video will eventually make it to Facebook as well. All my platforms on Facebook. But if you are seeing this on another channel or another social media platform, please, if you haven't already, go to the channel. There should be a link above or below, depending on where you're seeing this. My main YouTube channel is the one that finally hit the 1,000 subscribers, and that's Shania Business, if you're seeing this somewhere else. So please check that out. Go there, subscribe. It is based around finance, so if that's going to bore you, I'm just forewarning you. But I'm really grateful. But the plan is now, for those of you who've been paying attention, I already have a holding company. My holding company account is with Navy Federal. I have the S Corp election, for those of you who understand what that means. What I plan on doing with rideshare is, I currently have my holding company, but I don't have an operating company. So what I'm currently doing is putting all my rideshare and everything else I'm doing in my holding company. But the goal is to create a newer company that's going to be basically a transportation company. It's going to be an actual transportation company that I'm going to set up, brand. I'm going to base that company in Connecticut, because your operating company should be in the state that you are conducting actual business. So that company will be officially in Connecticut. Now, if you know about the holding company structure, the funds from my operating company will pay me by way of, it'll send the money up to my holding company. The holding company will be the company that actually cuts me a check. Any employees for that transportation company will go under the transportation company. They will be paid directly from that operating company. What I plan on doing with the YouTube channel, I plan on expanding. I mean, I know you guys think it's a little premature, you experienced YouTubers, but I'm already thinking about the next wave of what I'm trying to do with building a media company. That is going to be another operating company that is owned by my holding company. I haven't decided yet, but I most likely would not be named Shania Business. Shania Business LLC would just be this channel name. I'm thinking about coming up with a whole nother name to hold not only this channel, but several other channels that I plan on coming out with, marketing everywhere. Something I could brand with a nice logo, where I'm, with a nice brand on it, where I could put on, stuff like I'm wearing right now, and brand it and really promote my media company. So that'll be the next go round, probably after the transportation company is set up properly. I'll probably set up a media company before or after. It depends on how I feel. That media company will also be based around finance, but I'm thinking about going in a slightly different direction, because with Shania Business, I made a lot of mistakes, guys. If you go back to the older videos on this channel, it's all over the place. You know, there's no structure, there's no defined concept on what the channel is focusing on, because I'm all over the place. I was lucky to even get the 1,000 subscribers, and I think that's mostly due to me changing the content. In the beginning, I talked a lot about Trip and that long dragged out process they were going through. I pretty much was all over the place. I talked about rideshare on this channel. You'll see old rideshare videos. I'm going to keep all this content separate. So going forward with my rideshare content, I already have a channel set up. It's Nice Guy Driver. You may see this video on there because I'm talking a little bit about rideshare, but I'm going to try to keep all my content where it should be. So my rideshare content will be on Nice Guy Driver. Rideshare, transportation, anything related to that will be on Nice Guy Driver channel. I do have a personal channel, William Bootsy Blandon, where that channel, I'm not going to be able to monetize it. It's too much what I call fuckery. You know, just funny stuff, my personal life, stuff like that. I will keep on that channel. And if you're interested, you can shoot over there and check it out. I may put 1 or 2 sprinkles of business videos on that channel, but that'll be pretty much it. It'll be mostly my personal life. Shania Business will continue to talk about holding companies. We'll continue to talk about, you know, corporate credit, business credit, lines of credit that I do get, fintech banks, maybe YouTube development. But I think with my media company, I'm also going to create a brand new channel specifically for the YouTube brand that I'm going to create. So I'm going to create that channel and try to keep the content to basically a specific topic in finance. I don't want it to be all over the place like Shania Business has been. I want it to like narrow in on one thing. I haven't quite figured out what that one thing is going to be, but it'll be something to do with finance that I'm already talking about. It may just be holding company content, I'm not sure. But thanks to the new content and you new viewers and subscribers, I'm at least got a good direction on where I'm going with my media company. And I want to thank you guys again for supporting me. I've been people in the car as passengers and just told them subscribe to the channel. They did it. Some of you actually watched the content, and that means so much to me. You have no idea. So this is the direction we're going to move in. Keep the content for, you know, transportation, rideshare, Uber, Lyft on the Nice Guy Driver channel. Shania Business will continue on talking about, you know, credit unions, credit related topics. Again, I got my personal channel, William Bootsy Blandon. I got a Real Wealth channel that strictly is based around Zetegrity. If you want to check that out, it's Real Wealth TV. So I got enough channels that I can pretty much create a brand new media company and just have that media company own the channels. But I want to come up with a brand that I can brand also as a new channel. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm thinking about branding an actual channel under a specific name, start building it out. Who knows, I may even have that new branded channel own my transportation stuff as well. I may keep it just one company and just have it a broad range of stuff, so I don't have to like build out so many different LLCs that are owned by my holding company. That's probably a better direction. If you guys got any ideas, feel free. I do listen. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you think. For example, I have a name in mind. I was just gonna not call it something media, just call it a plain generic name. Whatever, services, LLC, and have that control the new channel, which I'm gonna wait till I got all the right equipment, the right setup, and then actually start doing content for that channel. But that can also be the transportation company as well, and that'll kill two birds with one stone. Just having it one company, it'll own the media stuff and the transportation stuff. That's one way I could go. I haven't quite decided, but if you think I should keep them separate, you guys let me know. YouTube, it's changed my life, guys. I talk about this in another video. Between YouTube and marijuana changing my life, I feel like I'm on a good path in life finally. I did get a little help from the government, but we know how that goes right now. I could possibly get even more help if they get it together and figure out what they're doing in Congress, you know. The House and the Senate battling it out, you know, and it's playing on not just my money, but I'm sure yours as well. But that'll be a bonus if I get government assistance to expand my company. I'm not counting on it. What I'm counting on is putting out some good content. I'm working on a holding company course. I don't consider myself far from an expert to put out a YouTube channel course, but that may be something I want to do in the future once I get my brand new channel set up right, and you know, videos that are edited, everything's nice. I got a nice little intro video, you know. I'm gonna do it right. That's gonna be that new channel that I come up with. So I'm gonna set that up right, but I don't want to rush to do it. So we're gonna continue with this channel. I'm gonna try to give you guys good content with these credit unions, these fintech banks. Every once in a while I may put a Ztegrity video on it, but I get a lot of hate on this channel when I put new content about Ztegrity. I don't know why that is. I get one or two people that's hating. Hasn't been bad lately, but I just noticed it. I no longer will talk about Trip on this channel for sure. If I must feel the desire to talk about Trip, even though I'm no longer promoting Trip, I do still have a affiliate link with Trip. I don't even list it under my videos because I don't want to promote it anymore, but I do have one. If I feel the desire to talk about Trip, it'll be on my Nice Guy Driver channel. It will not be on Shania Business YouTube channel. And I'm going to start putting more content on Facebook. I do get some attention on LinkedIn. I do get some attention on my Facebook business pages. So I may put this video on my Facebook pages to get you guys to come to the channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and support the channel. I've got some great links below. If you have the desire to want to do business with me now or in the future, I will have an email below. If you're interested in Oxygen Bank, getting that $25 to open an account, there's a link below for that. Get on my email list. Get on my email list if you want this holding company course. For the lowest rate I'm going to come out with is going to be in the beginning. I'm going to slowly increase the price after I put it out. So if you want the best price, get on the email list, and I will inform you guys when I'm ready to launch that course. I am not going to bombard you with a bunch of spam. Trust me. So there's a link below for that as well. And just continue supporting the channel. If you see this video and you like what I'm talking about with corporate credit and holding companies, and you want to get that holding company course, subscribe, like, comment, give me your input. Click that bell icon so you can get a little alert, let you know. Hopefully it'll give you an alert, let you know when I put out new content. And again, I said I really, really am grateful that you guys are starting to listen to my content and helping me grow this channel. Once again, thank you. You know, I hope you subscribe, and I will definitely not disappoint with my future videos. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you guys next time.